Just in, we have this 1966 Pontiac LeMans convertible, as you can see. Beautiful car. Paint, very nice shape, kind of a medium blue, I would call it. You can see the luster, and if you look at any of the pictures and you think there's flaws or lines or anything in it, it is actually the reflection off the ceiling. You see the lights and the sign that we have in the background on the wall. So very, very nice luster to this paint. Very straight car. Chrome and bright work is nice on it. Powered by a 326 underneath the hood. Also would have been a highly optioned car in 1966. This particular vehicle has power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Compressor and everything is still on the car. Also has a power top. Top is black in color. Is also in very nice shape. See the Pontiac rally style wheels. Overall, just a very, very nice looking car. See how the doors fit. Take a look in the interior. Bucket seats. Automatic transmission with the shifter on the floor. See the ductwork, which would be from the original air conditioned option. It does have an aftermarket wheel in it for your aftermarket gauges underneath the dash there. Check out the back seat. Gentleman that had this previously just had kind of some temporary wired speakers in the back seat. Those are removable. They can lift right up and out. Just unhook the wires or put in a different speaker system if you'd like. So nothing permanent back there. See the parade boot, nice shape. Won't be afraid to get in this car and go. So you can get ready for summer with a drop top. Pontiac LeMans, 1966. If you'd like to check out the underside pic, see the engine bay, trunk, interior, any of the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com is where they would be listed at. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up too because it's a great sounding, great running car also. As you can see, the seats have been recovered, very nice shape. Carpeting, nice shape, floor mats. Check out the door cards. Let's go ahead and fire this up also. That's all it takes to start it. That was a cold start. I haven't had this car running either. So nicely the door closes. Slip around so you can hear that 326 rumble. Nice exhaust on it. You can see it doesn't smoke. So if you're looking for a nice convertible, you can get in, turn key, and go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.